Nathan MacKinnon. Hit to the boards by Tanev. Centering pass blocked off. The Kraken win Game 7. They knock off the defending Stanley Cup champs. Season has come to an end in round 1 for the Colorado Avalanche.
You get to know these guys and see how much they put into the game, into the team on a daily basis, and you want to see them get rewarded for it. Doesn't always happen. Obviously, it's very tough to win, but you know, that was the most rewarding thing for us last year, seeing some of those guys get rewarded. And you know, this year, obviously, it's not the case, so there's some heartbreak again.
Are you kidding me? What a play by Cale Makar.
Big hit on the far side by Makar. It's MacKinnon splitting through. He scores! Score! Mikko Rantanen. Sprawling save with the right pass by Georgiev. And McDermott got the better of that one. What a shot. Nathan MacKinnon. Shot tapping goal. Hat-trick for Mikko Rantanen.
Skirt off, skirt off, skirt off, skirt off, skirt off, skirt off.